Are you tired of being an old hag that has no hair? Well, then get Bosley now for only 17 easy payments of $99.99. If you get Bosley, you can go from this to this. Let's take a look at one of our satisfied customers. If you don't get Bosley, then just leave your computer right now and go have a glass of milk. Hello, amigos. When I got Bosley, it was the worst thing that ever happened to me. Right, amigos? Yeah. I hated this project. It was the worst thing in the world. Oh, my hair went away. And then my wife did Marcy. I hate you. See how happy he was and satisfied with his Bosley purchase? That's why you should get your Bosley hair transplant today for only 17 easy payments of $99.99. 17 easy payments.